Introducing leather milk, a leather conditioning milk. It helps maintain the natural appearance of leather without adding shine. Thanks to its nourishing properties, it prevents drying and cracking. The milk should be applied using an applicator or sponge on clean and degreased leather. Besides providing protection, it leaves a pleasant leather scent. Usage instructions. Thoroughly clean the surface using leather cleaner. Apply a small amount of the product to the leather with a sponge or applicator. Then, leave the item to dry for 40 minutes to 1 hour. If necessary, apply another layer. Remember not to use on nubuck, suede, and oiled leathers. Take care of your vehicle with Good Stuff products.